paglabay na ko sa Bohol as of April 2024, na dismantle na dito ang fake nga blood compact location, and I think mao ni ang officially declared location for the blood compact. Dunay atabay na diha nakubkuban ang mga historical relics as evidence of the said event of the blood compact. Gold like plato, Sara. Pero sa gamay pa ko, dugay na nga tabayan hibawan sa Galway. Dugay na. So gidungog ko na siya, dugay na daghana nakakubkoban eh. But it was Victor Tirol who formally raised the issue of ascertaining the true location of the blood compact. Of course, daghan pa siyang additional basis like the formation of the sea and the two rivers, supporting evidence to support the claim na mao jud ang location of the blood compact. And that is why kumulabay mo diha sa Bohol, gidismantle ng fake na blood compact niya. Wala na ang ikatuwa, wala na mga Koreano magtindog na dili na mao ang tinuod nga location. This is the true location of the blood compact. Ang second question is, who initiated the blood compact? Who proposed the blood compact? And in my research, ang proposal ni is Dato si Kapuman. Napugos lang og inom si Legazpi for diplomatic reasons. So it's interesting to note no nga kaning blood compact gi-practice na siya in different places all around the world. In fact, in my research here, it was practiced by the Native American tribes, by African cultures, European traditions, South Pacific Islanders. So doon na gini historical significance due to its origin, meaning, and also among the walay lying, no, aside from the human species, no other animals practice blood compact. Okay, only humans practice blood compact. So wala kayong makikita dahil manap na nag blood compact. Okay, and furthermore, sa mga Mayan traditions, wala ang blood compact sa Egyptians, by the way. Wala tayo. Ang blood compact mo is exchange of blood between two human beings. Ang sa Egyptian style is they sacrifice to the gods. Pagawa sila blood, sacrifice to the gods. Ang sa Mayan sad is they bloodletting silang skin, gawa ng blood, and then they offer this to the gods. So it's between humans and gods. Only form of blood rituals at that time. But ang naka-unique sa blood compact between fellow human beings to promote friendship and alliance, mo lagi lahi na siya. It was practiced by Native American tribes, African cultures, European traditions, and South Pacific Islanders. Very, very important one event, not just for the friendship between Boholanos and the Spaniards, but I think for the human origin as a whole. It will give us hint about the movement of people, of human beings in ancient times, because when people move, ang makarrier nila is the styles like blood compact, mga cultures, more ang evidence that will tell us who they were and what they are. Of course, because in the 16th century, and before that, something yung nahitabo. So one, karon siguro lahi na. I hope kung nuclear war ta na masave na itong mga picture I know na masave ang mga source codes sa GitHub. Dunay ka nang naasa somewhere in the North Pole dito sa pang store na solid block ang mga importante mga scientific programming source codes. I'm not sure about the digital pictures on ours, but anyway, when calamities happen like meteorites, earthquake, nuclear war, propagate or get forward is the culture, and this is one of the significance of the Black Compact, I guess. It tells something a lot. It's a mystery, still a mystery, no? Wag na kibaw unsay meaning ano niya. But of course, it is a form of friendship between the Bahula people and Spain during colonization period. I'm glad na it is formally set up in the true location. Maraming ko bakak ng adto siya sa wrong location. Every time malabay ko, taghang mga foreigners magpa-picture of this historical site in the wrong location. Correct location niya.